To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free, and it'll help you learn this song a whole lot easier. Plus, there's a few surprise gifts for you inside of the blueprint. Here's a new one, Dierks Bentley, featuring the brothers Osborne. This one's called Burning Man. This one is a fairly simple tune, but it's got some dynamics to it. So it's 3 chords. It's D minor to F, and then B flat, which is a bar chord, back to F. So we were talking about, do we want to do this one with a capo or not, and I decided to do it in the original key and just play through it with these chords, because eventually you're going to need to get to these chords anyway. So, and by the way, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. So leave a comment, hit me up with any ideas you may have. I'd love to hear from you. So here we go with Burning Man. This one has kind of a really rolling, kind of intense kind of rhythm to it. And the chords, they basically go the same pattern over and over and over. What happens in the solo, or sorry, in the chorus, it actually breaks up. So let me show you. The verse feel goes like this. So it's D minor, F, B flat, back to F. So that's the verse feel. D minor, F, can do B flat like that too if you want. And the song builds up dynamically. When it finally gets to the chorus, it goes like this. And then it goes back in. Okay, so what happens is the guitars and a large part of the band does that little marker, and the bass keeps going. And then, and the bass hits the F, and B flat, go back in. So the main thing you want to capture in this one is, I mean, obviously it's the brothers Osborne are rocking out really good, and we saw that in the Country Music Awards the other night, and they sound great together, by the way. So this one you want to make sure you get like kind of once again a muted palm here on the string, so you get that sound. So this is primarily a right hand technique. We got your pick going and you're kind of intensely. What creates the mood of the song is that driving rhythm. Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement, and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday we pick a new winner to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the YouTube channel and you're automatically registered to win. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and get updates for when new videos are uploaded. And make sure you like this video and comment down below for even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our daily video and in the community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called, and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson. So when you're doing the verse thing, you're... And then when you do your B flat, you can either do it like this, and sometimes I'll just to change it up, I'll do it like this. I see a lot of guys do that. Bring my thumb over. So whatever's most comfortable for you. And then the F, if you have trouble doing the F like this or like this, I do a full bar or thumb over here. You can also do an F down here. So it could be So that's actually just a really kind of cut down version of it. If you do the D minor, you're only playing basically the high 4 strings, and then your F, all you got to do is move your 3rd finger here. And then if you wanted to, you can just bar here on the 3rd fret, those 3 strings, and back to the F. Because that's essentially what one of the guitars is doing. Not some of the times they'll do like a partial guitar part, so it goes. The chorus part, and the bass hits the F, and then B flat, D minor, and then it starts back into the rhythm, B flat to F, and then it has like a bitchin' lead on it. It just goes kind of wild lead, which I won't get into, but I really dig this song. It's simple, it's to the point. A little bit Burning Man, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But Dierks Bentley and the brothers Osborne rocking it out on Burning Man. We'll see you down the road. Thank you for taking the time to check out this online guitar lesson. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a whole lot easier at www.jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag and apparel, guitar gear, and sometimes we'll even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment below, and share this video with anyone you think might like it. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck!